Vanakkam. This factory was built in 24 hours. But that's not the real story. The real story is the 6 months nobody saw. Speed is never built on site.
Months of planning. 1 day of building. Let me show you both. Month 1. The AI designs and attacks its own work. Hundreds of versions, one survivor.
Month 2. Approvals. Fire, factory license, pollution consent. Boring? Yes. Skippable? Never.
Months 3 and 4. The factory is built. Inside other factories. Every wall, every conduit, every bolt. Finished, tested, and folded. Like packing a building into boxes. Month 5. The machines rehearse. Not on the site, inside the digital twin.
Every flight path, every crane swing, every clash, found here, fixed here. Failure is free in simulation.
The build ran 200 times in the twin, before running once in reality. Month 6, logistics. 12 trucks, 50 drones, 4 robot masons. Sequenced to the minute. 6 months, 0 concrete poured. And now, everything is ready. Watch the calendar become a clock. 6 a.m. The convoy arrives. Nothing is being figured out today, only executed.
By 8, the scan confirms the twin. Reality matches the rehearsal to the millimeter.
By 10, Weaver drones tie the steel. By noon, 50 drones pour the foundations. Afternoon, the 6 months arrive on site. The modules bloom. Each module docks. Power, water, water, data. Tested months ago, connecting in minutes now.
Night falls, nothing stops. The twin watches every machine, and I watch the twin. 3 a.m. 1 block, 2 millimeters off. Caught, relayed. 60 seconds.
"6 a.m. 24 hours on site. 6 months in the making."
Here's what I want you to take from this. Here's what I want you to take from this. The building wasn't fast. The preparation was complete. And that's not 2035 talking. Our real projects work the same way. Plan deep, build clean, finish on time.
Planning an industrial project? The link is in the description. Subscribe for what's coming. Nandri.